Casa Jaguariúna, located in the Fazenda Duas Marias condominium, in the interior of São Paulo, has 650 square meters of built area and layout that takes advantage of the rugged topography to articulate its spaces. The project chose rustic and warm materials to compose a welcoming refuge, where the arrival, gourmet and leisure area, living room and pool and, further away, the intimate area are subtly divided. Upon arrival at the residence, we came across the low demolition wood gate and a winding path that leads to the garage, comprising a roof for the vehicle parade, service area, storage room and service bedroom. The house cannot be seen from its access due to the unevenness proposed by the implementation, plus the landscaping. Upon entering, we come across a dining room integrated into the kitchen, exposed in an island format. Further down, a technical kitchen can be opened and closed depending on the use at the time. Next, the living room and play space are separated by brief corridors. The sequential and linear arrangement of the spaces favors permeability between spaces, as well as ventilation and natural lighting, obtained through large openings framed by reinforced concrete porticos. The light frames allow total integration between the inside and outside, and the lush landscaping seems to permeate the construction. The metal roof, in the main volume of the house, is elevated so that light also invades the internal spaces, offering greater comfort to the environments. The outdoor area, consisting of a swimming pool and gourmet space, a complete outdoor kitchen, covered by a marquee that advances in relation to the main volume of the house, is located on a plateau that allows for coexistence and free interaction with the internal social area of the residence. Finally, the intimate area composed of bedroom suites is located in the lowest part of the land, gaining total privacy, obtained through the physical separation of the social volume by the slope and lush vegetation.